goodness! My hair didn't dry totally, and I think that's the reason the calls are dropping. Hi loves, welcome back to Just Cute's Corner. So today I'm finally styling my Texlaxed hair with Flexi rods. I've been craving soft, bouncy, heatless style, and I want to do it today together, step by step. My hair is freshly Texlaxed about 2 weeks post, and I'm starting on dry hair because Flexi rod come out better on dry or slightly damp hair. If you do it on wet hair, it won't dry properly and you won't get the proper curls. I'm keeping it simple, so it's just my styling rules. Basically this, my hair already has leave-in because I did my moisturizing and sealing last night. You don't need too many products else your curls will fall. So it's basically just this. You can seal with your oil, but I'll be applying the oil after I take down the Flexi rods tomorrow morning. So let's get straight into it. I have my white tooth comb here and the detangling brush. I initially was going to detangle with this white tooth comb, but I think the detangling brush would do a better job. I'm working in 4 small to medium sections because they give the best definition without taking forever. I'm able to spend the entire night styling this hair. I recently got this octopus brush and it's doing an awesome job. And I'll do that on this other side. Guys, you apply from roots, okay? Apply from roots to tip. Just with your brush to keep the tension smooth. Ensure to keep the tension smooth, okay? And just I believe this is my first time doing this on my hair. I really can't wait to see the outcome tomorrow morning. Okay, now we are done with the front part of the hair. Let's go. And that's it for tonight. I'll be keeping the rods in, going to bed with it because I don't want heat. So tomorrow morning we take down the hair and see what curls we have been able to create. Welcome back again. It's a bright new day and this is the next morning after setting my Texlaxed hair with Flexi rod for the first time. And now we're going to take it down together. I'm excited, I'm nervous, but I'm also hopeful for juicy, bouncy curls. The secret here is zero frizz, so I'll be oiling my palms with my Mamiya Organics Argan Growth Oil, just something to give me sleep. Let's take down the bonnet first. I had my bath this morning. I was so careful not wanting water to touch this hair because I didn't use heat yesterday. I'm hoping everything is properly dry. Like I'm really hoping. Oh my goodness, I can still feel that it's wet. This hair is still damp. Oh my goodness. My hair didn't dry totally. That's what I'm noticing right now. And I think that's the reason. If you look closely, you can see the coals are dropping. Can you see? I probably applied too much mousse, or I should have used heat after all. Well, we'll see. We'll work with what we have. This is my first time, like I said earlier. But these cows are not so bad. I haven't combed them out yet. This one is the one that is still very wet. Did my bath water touch it? I feel bad about this one. Didn't try because look at this side of the hair. It's kind of popping a little bit. I see some bounce here. We still have some curls on this side. Okay. Look at that. Well, this side is looking like an epic fail. So probably we just pin this up here. Just so it looks good. I'm gonna make this work. This is what we have. This is what we have now. This is my first try, like I said, guys, so I'll give this another trial. I refuse to lose. I'll give it another trial. Understand? I have to do it right. Okay, I think it's actually growing on me. I'm loving it now. It's not looking so bad. My hair looks soft, shiny, and there's some bit of curls, right? It's pretty, if you ask me. Ooh, I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if you want me to give this another try, maybe on a really damp hair. That'd be necessary because this just already showed us what that would look like. Or if you want me to try the different products, or if you have tips or ways you thought I should have gone about it, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to hear your thoughts and learn from you too. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by my channel again, watching my videos to the end. Please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and share with your friends, your Relax Texlaxed girly, and make sure to watch my other Relax and Texlaxed videos on this channel. Leave a comment when you do. Till I see you in my next video.